Hello, camera. Oh gosh.
Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm very excited for today's video because tonight, I'm really excited. We are going to do the Marie Kondo method for my closet. So I'm going to get everything out of my closet. I'm going to bring it out here and I'm going to decide whether it sparks joy or not. This is probably going to take a while. Probably going to have like 3 hours of footage I need to cut down into like 10 minutes. So let's get started. I'm going to go get all the clothes.
Hello, camera. Oh gosh.
Ow. I've enlisted boyfriend to help so I can speed this up. All right, friends, thanks to the muscle, we've got 90% of my closet here. Let's cover up the food baby. I've had a lot of Mexican food. So I'm gonna go through all of this stuff. I'm probably gonna speed through a lot. If anything looks cute or fun, I'll put it on, show you. If I can link anything, I'll link it down below. A lot of this stuff is work clothes, so some of you don't know if you're new around here. I do work a corporate job, so I have a lot of business My clothing is like weird. I have basically business professional clothing, and then things like patent leather skirts. Like, it's very polar opposite. So I've actually had this skirt, the first thing I'm seeing from Express, for maybe like almost 10 years. I love this black skirt. I think every working girl or guy needs a black pencil skirt. It brings me a lot of joy, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. This outfit I got from Fashion Nova. It's a cute little tube top. It's like a tube top and then a long pencil skirt. I really like this and it looks really nice when I want something really form-fitting, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. I don't even know if I've worn it once yet. I wanna wear it probably this spring. You guys know this is another Fashion Nova outfit. Now I'm probably gonna tell you I'm gonna link a million videos down below and I probably won't link them. But I did do a couple Fashion Nova hauls and I did haul this one, so if I can find that video, I'll link it down below. I wore this in Australia. It just brings back memories of my Australia trip. I did vlog. We were in Australia, Sydney and Melbourne. Americans always say Melbourne, but apparently it's Melbourne, like burn, I think. Anyways, if you haven't seen those vlogs, it's over on my second channel, so I'm gonna definitely keep that. I love that shirt. Link to the second channel is always down below. Now I'm wondering if I need this black pencil skirt because I'm keeping the other one. You know what? I think I might get rid of that Express black skirt and keep this one because this one's a lot more stretchy and honestly it's longer, which is nice for when I go to work. And I can wear this. Sometimes I've just worn this like on a date and it's really high-waisted and with just like a little bit of a crop top. So I think I'll keep this one and get rid of the other one. This is another Fashion Nova skirt that I think is so cute. Anybody else? So I grew up on the East Coast, right? Where you have all 4 seasons. So the way that we did it in my house, let me know if you guys do this too, is that when the seasons changed, we would like store away our winter clothes. So when spring came, for our winter clothing, we would store the winter clothing, the coats, like thick skirts and plaid, stuff like that, we would store it. And then when winter came back, we would store the spring and summer stuff. But when I moved to California, my friends were like, what do you mean you store your winter stuff? I'm like, don't you put away like your winter coats and your dresses? And they're like, no. So I just realized, because the seasons kind of blend together here in at least Southern California. So let me know if any of you guys do that, but I still do that. I'm still an East Coast girl, born and raised. So when spring comes to LA, like this is something I would store away because it just says winter to me. So I'm definitely gonna keep it. I only wore it once, but it'll just be stored away until next winter. Now this This was actually sent to me from Boohoo. I did a Halloween costumes video in partnership with them. It wasn't sponsored, but they sent me the clothing for free. And honestly, I kept this, but I'm like, where would I wear this? I was thinking maybe like a date night. You guys, I wear some like really sexy / raunchy stuff on date night. I actually think he would like this, so I'll keep it. He loves stuff like that. I'll just keep it. This is another thing that came from Boohoo, and I haven't even worn it yet. I think this would be perfect for spring. It's just a faux leather pink skirt, so I'm definitely gonna keep it because I haven't worn it yet. And I love faux leather attire. I would probably never wear this now. This is definitely Nikki, like, I don't know. I think I bought this for like a company party. That's the kind of place I would, no, I don't know. I feel like this would be nice to donate to someone. And it is a size 2. Good Lord, I was skinny. Can I get back to the size 2? Is it possible? Because I promise you right now, I'm definitely a size 6. That one has to go. It brings me no joy. And I feel like some size 2 girl would love it. These Fashion Nova jeans actually still have the tags, and I've never worn them. I'm kind of over ripped jeans. Anybody else? I don't know. They always come back, so maybe I'll regret getting rid of these, but I feel like that's such a waste. It just makes me more conscious of things that I buy to make sure I actually am going to wear them, because I never wore those, so I'm going to get rid of those. This dress I actually purchased. This is the Victoria Beckham Target collaboration dress. Every time I wear this dress, honestly, it's not my favorite. I like it. I really like the color on my skin tone. I get so many compliments. And I was like, really? Is this dress that nice? Let me know what you guys think. I don't think you can buy this anymore. I think it sold out. I did do a live stream when I, like literally the moment I got back home from this. So if you want to see that, if I remember, I'll link it down below. But it just always makes me feel so nice when everyone's like, oh my God, where'd you get that dress? Where'd you get that dress? I'm like, really? Thanks. Also, this one too. This is also Victoria Beckham. Can I find it? This one. This one, every time I wear it, people are like, I love that dress. Where'd you get it? This one gets more compliments than this one, but both of them, people love these dresses. So I'm definitely keeping them because it just makes me feel so nice when people just stop me at work or when I go out for lunch and they're like, oh my God. But I have to admit, the colors do look really amazing, so definitely keeping. Anybody remember the store R&B? I bought this in my clubbing days. I'm looking at this old stuff is making me realize how much weight I've gained over the years. What size is this? It looks so small now, but this is just not my style anymore with the ruching and the sleeves. So I had many fun nights in this dress, but I think I will pass it to a new home. I thank you for bringing me many years of drunken joy. This is something I actually got from Misguided, and I think I bought this to film in. I used to be very big into anything that had a cutout or a hole somewhere. I still actually think it's cute. I just don't know. I think it's cute actually, and I would like to film in this, so I think I'll keep this. I think it's cute. This is a top you guys have seen me wear a lot, and you guys always ask me, actually both of these, where this is from. This one is from Boohoo. You guys know I do not like bodysuits, but I actually really like this one. I love anything shimmery. And this one I actually got on Amazon. So if I can find these, I'll link them down below. They bring me so much joy because they're just so shiny and sparkly. So many good memories in this. This is a New Year's Eve dress, a party dress, and I've done so many things in this, so definitely keeping both of those. I love them. Love, love, love. Hang with me, friends. The lighting is gonna start changing because this is taking forever, and the sun is setting. This, where did I get this skirt from? H&M. I've never worn this once, and I think it's so cute. My boyfriend does not like it, but I think I should just get rid of it just because I've had this for about 6 years, and I've never worn it once. So what does that say? It's like, I guess I just don't like it that much. This would actually be cute with this top, but I'm gonna pass it on. It's new, essentially. It just doesn't have the tags, and I've never worn it, so cute, but it's gonna go. Who remembers this dress from the Australia vlogs? I didn't even realize this. I didn't take the tags off. I wore this on my birthday when we were in Sydney. If you haven't seen that vlog, I'll leave a link down below. This dress makes me so happy. Just so many good memories. That's the only time I've worn it so far was in Sydney, so it just brings back Australia. And look at how gorgeous this is. I believe this is from ASOS, and it just, like up close, it just kind of looks, you know, oh, like sequins, but from afar, especially at night when the light hits it, it literally just looks like you're shining, like you're just radiating. I love this dress. I'll probably never get rid of it. I'll probably pass it on to a daughter or something because I just think it's gorgeous. And it always comes back in style, you know? Sequins always comes back. Alright friends, I don't know if you can tell from the lighting, but it is many, many hours later. So this is everything that I'm getting rid of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. I think I did a damn good job. Let me know what you think. I think this is pretty amazing. And these are all of the hangers. I had no idea how many dry cleaner hangers that I keep and I don't get rid of. So, everything I'm getting rid of, if you'd like to see the behind the scenes of getting rid of this stuff, I'm donating all of it. Check out the video on the screen on the second channel. Make sure you subscribe over there. There's more of me, the boyfriend, family, behind the scenes, everyday life.